For the next step, let's create our first Hello World project using Rust. So in the same page where you installed, there's also generating a new project example. You can follow this. We're going to use the package manager cargo and just follow along with this. So I'm going to go to my terminal. I'll go to a folder called as Rust projects and enter this command. This creates my hello rust package. I can go to the folder and I'll see that that is created. Now I can open it in Sublime Text. That's what I'm going to use for this particular project. And if you see here, it says that the files that we have here, src, the main file, this is the main application file. Right here it says that. There is also a manifest file here which talks more about the project with the project metadata. It has the package name, version, edition. It also has a comment here, and if you want to add dependencies, this is where you can add it. Now to run this project, what we can do is go here. So let's run our very first project. If you see, what it does is call the main function and will print hello world. So I'm going to say cargo. Actually, first let's see where I am. So let's go inside the folder of the project and then I'll say cargo run. It's compiled, it's finished, and if you see the output is there, you can change it to whatever you want. Print my name, change that, run it, and there you go. That's your first project in Rust that you've implemented. It's pretty straightforward. If you see, just give it a try.